but he didn't want to give me anything. And he kept telling me he wasn't married.
Okay.
I made no such comment, Your Honor.
Why are you lying? You need to quit lying. God get you for that.
In today's courtroom drama, a scorned lover is suing her ex-affair partner for nearly $2,000, claiming she covered his gas, tires, and a bumper fix that never happened. She says he promised to pay her back, but he says it was all gifts. Watch as the judge tries to untangle this messy love affair turned financial fiasco.
Hello?
Hi, Miss Morrison. Mr. Hart, are you there?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning. Let's see. We've got both of you here. So we got. Okay, Miss Morris, this is your claim, but quite frankly, I couldn't understand.
Yes.
The claim. It says James
Hart.
Yeah. Okay. Josephine, out. It just says out of $2,000 for gas, car repairs, tires.
Yes.
What is?
He asked me for money to fix the bumper on his car. He asked for $175. And then he told me he needed $400 and something for his tires. And every time he came over, he asked me for gas money. I would give him $60 to $80.
Okay, so let's hold on. So let's just, I guess this will be an easy one just to kind of go through. Why don't both of you raise your right hands for me? Do you swear from the testimony you're about to give will be the truth?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Ms. Morris, you tell me again, first of all, I guess, how do you know Mr. Hart? Let's start out there first.
We met at a store on the corner of Pasadena and London Road. And we exchanged number and we had started seeing each other. Okay,
so there's a little bit of a relationship. When you say $2,000 for gas, you were giving him money over the time?
Yes.
Okay.
Every time he came over, he said he needed gas money. I gave him gas money, but he didn't know I clocked everything in my head because I made A's out through math.
Well, did he know you were keeping track of it?
No, I don't tell people I'm keeping track, but I keep track of everything I do.
Okay, Mr. Hart, was she giving you money for gas?
Your Honor, we were involved. I decided I no longer wanted to be involved with Miss Morris. Miss Morris, on a couple of occasions, did give me money for gas.
Okay, did she say it was hold on, did she tell you it was a loan of some sort?
Oh, sir.
No, I didn't.
Okay, boy.
He told me he'd give me $25 a week until he paid me all my money back. And then I said, okay. And then he told me he wasn't giving me nothing. He called me a crazy beast. And then he said, well, the only way I get my money back is I had to take him to court. I said, I will do.
Okay, so what?
I have a chronic heart problem, and I'm on a fixed income. I does not work.
Okay, so let me get through each thing first, though. It says, so tell me, are the tires the same type of thing? Did you give him money for tires? Is that what it is? Mr. Hart, is that true?
Gave me money for one tire, Your Honor.
For a tire. How much was the tire?
$400.
I'm sorry, what?
$400. And he waited till I got to $450. And he told me to give him $175 to help him fix his bumper. And he never did get the bumper fixed.
Okay, so let's just stick with the tire for me for a minute. Did you use money for a tire?
She gave me money for a tire.
Okay, how much was $81.90? $81.90 for the tire.
I gave him $450.
Okay, hold on. Now you went up to that. What was the was there other money that she gave you for some kind of car repairs?
No, sir.
No? Did she give you $400 for something?
No, sir.
No, you met me on Chevrolet and I gave you the $170. And then when I moved over here, you told me you need some gas. And every time you come over here, you stick your hand out for some gas and I will give you $80 to $60. I keep up with what I give a person.
Okay, why wouldn't you tell him it was a loan?
Because he told me, he said, will you help me? And no, like I'm on a fixed income. I only get Social Security. He work and I don't. And I said, and don't you work? And he said his wife get all his money and his ex-wife get his money and alimony. And he told me he wasn't married.
Okay. It sounds like those are all gifts. If you didn't tell him that you were loaning him money or expected to pay him,
it wasn't no gift.
Well, it sounds like it. What?
He asked me, and if it was a gift, why he tell me he would give me $25 a week until he paid me all my money back?
Sir, did you make some comment that you're going to pay her some money back?
I made no such comment, Your Honor.
Why
No.
are you lying? You need to quit lying. God get you for that. And I ain't got to sit here and lie. I'm telling the truth. I
Okay.
was raised in a hospital ministry, and
Yeah,
I got
but
God on my
understand,
side.
and what I believe what you're telling me, but right now, what about the tire?
I gave him $450.
She gave
And I
me,
know what I gave him. And he's sitting up there just telling anything because he a big liar. First, he told me his name was James Johnson. He told me he lived off of Van Wagon and Beard. And then he told me he lived off of Moore Street and Van Wagon. And then he told me he lived off the Carpenter Road.
Okay. What about the tire, though, Mr. Hart? Tell me about the tire. Did you say at one point you pay her back for the tire at least?
I told her I needed a tire, and she said, "Well, go. What? How much is the tire?" And I told her
I
$85.
didn't ask you know how much. Stop lying.
Sir, ma'am, hold on. Let him speak. Let him speak for me. So,
And she did give me the money for the tire. She said there was never any reference on any of the gas or the tire as far as repayment, or it was a loan.
I don't take care of a man. A man takes care of me. And then all of a sudden, you the one changed and told me you'll give me my money back because the police made you give me the TV back.
the TV. How do we get a TV now?
She had also given me a TV. Once I decided I no longer wanted to see her, she said, "Well, give me the TV back." As a matter of fact, I have a case number from the Michigan State Police about that, where she was just.
I had police number too.
Oh, hold on. Let Mr. Hart speak now. So you got a TV somehow?
I went to the rental center and he told me he needed he wanted a 55-inch TV, and I said okay. I went to the rental center and got the TV, and if he had looked and then he sat back that he ain't paying no $1,400 for a TV, and if he had looked at the bottom of the contract, he on I had paid the TV down to $207. But he didn't want to give me anything. And he kept telling me he wasn't married. And I don't take care of no man. I got a chronic heart problem.
Okay, so how do we give me some idea with the TV then? Did you buy a TV for him? Is that what happened?
I got the TV from the rental center.
Okay,
and they always give me a deal. The TV
Okay.
was $600 and I paid it down to $200 and something.
Okay, so he's got Mr. Hart, you have the TV right now?
I gave her.
He gave it back to me.
Yeah.
Oh, you gave it back.
Told him he better give it back to me that day. And he kept on just telling a lie. He a big liar.
I thought that by giving her back the TV, we'd be going our separate ways. And
I see.
I
Okay.
want my money back. I just want my money. I live on the fixed income. And my son, them, because they found out I gave him some money, they don't help me with nothing. I only live off of Social Security a month. And I got a chronic heart disease. And I go to the doctor about all the time.
Yeah. So with the tire though, sir, if somebody's giving me money for a tire is a little bit different thing. When she gave you money for the tire, didn't you think you owed her for the tire? Is it your car?
yes.
Okay. So what benefit is that to her? I mean, it sounds like she's giving you money for gas. She's giving you, you didn't use this TV that she had, but you gave it back to her.
Yeah.
Then you got this tire that
We were involved, Your Honor, so I didn't.
Yeah, we was involved. But he kept lying. I told him, I said, I'm going to give you enough rope till you hang yourself. And I said, when you break that rope, that's it. And he broke the rope. Because, I have a sickness problem. And I need every cent I can get to pay my bills. I just can't pay my bills because I was working when we got together. But I'm not working anymore. I live on Social Security.
How long ago did you pay for the tire then? When was that? How long ago was that?
Everything happened this year.
Okay, but about the tire, when?
About a month, about 2 months.
About 2 months ago?
No,
Yes.
maybe 3.
About 3 months ago?
Every time he come over here, he open his wallet up. And when he going out the door, he hold his hand out.
Okay.
And he asked me to buy him these pills called Chiplet.
And
And
when did the two of you break up then?
I decided I no longer wanted to see Miss Morris about the middle of July. However, she kept calling me, kept coming to my job, just not getting it.
He kept lying to me. You told me you was gonna pay me $25 a week till you pay me all my money back, and then you told me you wasn't gonna pay nothing. Then you called me a crazy bee, and you kept on telling me I was dumb and stupid. I was crazy. I'm not crazy. I got 5 senses, and I know everything that happened to me when I was a kid.
Yeah.
I might be 72, but I got all my marbles upstairs, and I made A's through math.
Yeah. Well, and ma'am, I understand that, but it sounds like all these transactions were just gifts because the two of you were in a relationship at the time.
When I gave some money, we had broke up. He told me he broke up. He did that because when he asked me for $250 to go on a trip, I had the money, but I had to stop giving him my money.
Yeah, sure. Oh, I understand. That. So it's probably just as well both of you have kind of split and gone your own ways. But I honestly, I don't see any reasonable evidence that you made it a loan to him. No cause of action cases.
Thank you.
I don't write down nothing.
Yeah, I understand, man. But boy, something like this, you got to start. You got to start if you're going to give money that you expect to have back. Honestly. Okay. No cause of action. Case is dismissed. Okay. Good luck to both of you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. You're welcome. All right, ma'am. Good luck to Miss Morris. Bye.
Yes. Thank you. I got to work on my own now.
Yeah. All right.
They're going to give me my money back one way or the other.
Okay.
Thank you.
If you're involved in a dispute with another party such as this and you just can't seem to work it out, don't resort to taking the law in your own hands.
We'll hear the litigant's reaction to these messages.
All right, thank you very much. Officer Bell's waiting for you, and that will bring this case to a conclusion.